Good morning, students. Today we are going to see class 12, Computer Science, Lesson 5, Python Variables and Operator. In last class, we discussed about tokens in Python. The continuity will be discussed in this class. Okay. What is meant by token? Tokens are the smallest individual unit in a program is called as tokens. So with the help of the tokens only, we can able to construct a program. Without keywords, without identifier, without operator, we can't able to write a Python programs. Not only Python programs. So tokens are the individual unit in a program. So if you are writing program means definitely we are using some tokens in that programs. Okay, keyword, identifier, operators, letters, all those things we are using to write a program. Okay. So the first one is keyword. Already we saw that keyword is a reserved word. It has a fixed meaning. It is used for specific purpose. It cannot use as a identifier. Keyword cannot be used as a identifier. Next thing, identifier. Identifier means name of the variable, operator, function, module. These are called identifiers. Identify, we read some rules for the identifiers. Identifier must start with alphabets or underscore, not begin with numbers. The next keyword cannot be used as the identifiers. Then variables are case sensitive. These identifiers are case sensitive in Python. It differentiates uppercase and the lowercase. Next thing, operator. Operator is a symbol. It performs some operations on the operands. Next one, literals. Letters are value to the variable. Next one, delimiter. Delimiter means comma, semicolon. The punctuation marks are called as delimiters. Okay, these are the tokens. Already we completed keyboard and identifier. In last class, we discussed about operators. So many types of operator in Python. Arithmetic operator. Next one, relational operator. Logical operator, assignment operator, conditional operator. These operators are used in Python. Already you know that because in 11th standard C++ we have studied these operators. These operators are also available in Python. Okay, first is arithmetic operator. Last class we discussed about that. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, exponent, floor division. First 5 operators we are studied in C++ also. In Python we are studying 2 more operators. One is floor division, another one is exponent. Exponent we are using double asterisk for exponent. Exponent means power operator. Next one, double slash. It is used for floor division. Floor division means integer division. We cannot able to use fractional division in double floor division method. So already in last class we completed the arithmetic operator. Today we are going to see relational, logical, assignment and conditional operators. First one, relational operator. Relational operator are used to check the relationship between two variables. It returns the Boolean type values. In arithmetic operator means it returns numerical result, but relational operator returns Boolean type of values. Boolean type means true or false, like that. Okay. What are the relational operators are available in Python? First one, less than. Less than symbol means it check if it is lesser or not. Next one, less than or equal to. In mathematics, we are using less than or equal to like this, but here we are using less than or equal to less than symbol, after that equal symbol. Okay, you don't write like this. In mathematics only you are writing like this, but in computer you are writing less than and then equal to symbol is considered as a less than or equal to. Next, greater than or equal to, not equal to. These are relational operators are used in Python. Less than means it check if it is lesser value. Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to means both are equal or not. Both are equal means it return true, otherwise it return false. Not equal to means both are not equal means it return true. Both are equal means it return false. Okay, it's quite opposite for equal to operator. Okay. Now we see one more example for relational operator. For example, 5 less than 10. What will be the result of that expression? Why we called this expression? Already last class I told you these are called operands, these are called operators. Combination of operands and operator is called expression. So 5 less than 10 is a expression. Here the result will be 5 less than 10. It's true. 5 is less than 10. So it returns the value true. 5 less than or equal to 10. It also returns the value true. In case if I am using here 5 less than 5 means it returns the value false because it check only if it is less than or not. So it returns value false. If I am using 5 less than or equal to 5 means it returns the value 2 because it check if it is less than or equal. So 5 less than or equal to 5 means it returns the value true. Next 5 greater than 7. The result is false because 5 is not greater than 7. 5 is less than 7. So you return the value false. 5 greater than or equal to 7. It also false. 5 equal to 7. False because 5 is not equal to 7. So you return the result false. 5 not equal to 7. True because 5 is not equal to 7. 5, 7 are different. So it return the result true. Now, would you understand that operations, relational operators less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. You must differentiate equal to and equal to operator. So double equal to means it check whether it is both are equal or not. Single equal to means it is assignment operator. It is a relational. Double equal to is a relational operator. Equal to is a assignment operator. What is the purpose of assignment operator means it assign the value to a variable. For example, if I am using a equal to 5 means the value of 5 will be assigned to the variable a. Suppose if I am using here a equal to 5 means these operator check both values are equal. For example, if I am assigning the value a equal to 3 means 3 equal to 5. So it return the result false. So equal to operator are used for assignment purpose. Double equal to operators are used for that is equal to operator. It is used to check both values are equal or not. It return the value true or false. Okay. Now see one more example program using relational operator. In last class we discussed arithmetic operator. That time we are writing one example program. No, the same way here also we see one more example for relational operator. Now I am using two variable. One is x, another one is y. X equal to 20, y equal to 25. Now we are going to demonstrate the relational operator operations. Okay. First, if you want to display output means definitely we are using which function? Good. Print function. So print. Now we are using x. Suppose if I am writing here x less than y. What is the value of x? 20. What is the value of y? 25. So 20 less than 25. It return the value true. So output will be displayed true on the screen. Okay. Suppose it just display true or false only. Suppose if you want to display x less than or equal to y, sorry, x less than y equal to true. If you need like this means writing double quotes x less than y equal to. Completing double quotes, after that you are writing that expression x less than y. Now the output will be displayed like this. First, if you are giving these statements are double quotes, so it will be displayed as it is on the screen. X less than y equal to. After that, we are using comma for separation. If you are using string and the expression or variable means using comma operator, we can separate the string and the expression. Okay. So x less than 5, 20 less than 25 is true. So it return the value true. So this statement output will display on the screen like this. X less than y equal to true. Suppose if I am using greater than symbol means print x greater than y equal to. X greater than y means The output display x greater than y equal to false because 20 is greater than 25 false because 20 is less than 25, so it return the value false. The same way we are writing another remaining operators x equal to y equal to means, for example, if I am writing like this, comma x equal to y means the result will display x equal to y false. Only here equal to symbol not present because I'm missing here to given equal symbol. So whatever I given in double quotes, it will be displayed as it is on the screen. Now here I'm using only x equal to y, equal to is missing here. So the output only displayed x equal to y. If I am giving here equal symbol means it will displayed on the output screen. Okay. Next, not equal to means print x not equal to y, comma x not equal to y. So the output x not equal to y equal to true because x is not equal. 20 not equal to 25. 20 and 25 are different, not same. So it return the value true. Okay. So if you are writing this program in script mode, after that, after saving the program, you are running that. Running means you will get that output. These outputs are displayed on the screen. Okay. Okay, next we are going to see assignment operator. Assignment operator means equal to is considered as a assignment operator. Equal to is a assignment operator. It assigns the value to a variable. For example, if I am giving a equal to 5 means the value 5 will be assigned to the variable a. Assignment operators are used to assign the value to a variable. Suppose if I am using expression here means evaluate that right side expression and the answer will be stored in the left side variable. So uses of assignment operator is right side value assigned to left side variable. If you are using expression means evaluate that expression and then result will be stored in the left side variable. So what is the value of a? 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 will be stored in the variable a. Okay. So equal to operator. Arithmetic operator are also available in assignment operator. Plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, division equal to, modulus equal to, exponent equal to, floor division equal to. So all arithmetic operators are also available in assignment operator. Addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, modulus assignment, exponent, floor division assignment. Okay. How we can write this? For example, a equal to a plus 5. These operand are same means we are writing a plus equal to 5. So a plus equal to 5 means a equal to a plus 5. This statement we are write like this, a plus equal to 5. The same way we are writing subtraction, multiplication, division, everything. For example, a equal to 5. A plus equal to 5 means that is a equal to a plus 5. A minus equal to 5 means a equal to a minus 5. A multiplication equal to 5 means a equal to a into 5. Okay. A division equal to 5 means a equal to a divided by 5. A modulo division equal to 5 means a equal to a modulo division 5. So these operands are same means we are writing like this. So a minus equal to 5 means a equal to a minus 3. It is called shorthand assignment operator. These operators are called a shorthand assignment operator. It's a brief explain. Shortly we are writing like this. So only it's called a shorthand assignment operator. Okay. Suppose if I am using here a equal to b plus c now, we are not like a plus c equal to c. We don't write like this because these both operand are same number. Only we are write like this. Okay, suppose a equal to a plus c now, we are writing a plus c equal to c. It's correct. Suppose these variable, these operand and the expression operand are different means don't write like this. Okay. So We see one more example program using assignment operator. I'm using a equal to 5. Okay. First, addition operator. Print. Now I am using only expression. You know how to write print statement with string and expression. Just now I am explaining only with expressions only. A plus equal to 5. Print A minus equal to 5. Print A multiplication equal to 5. Print A division equal to 5. Print A modulo division equal to 5. Okay, what will be the output of the programs? Here I am only using expression. In previous programs we are discussed along with string. முன்னாடி இருந்த ப்ரோக்ராம்ல நம்ம ஸ்ட்ரிங்கோட சேர்த்து பார்த்தோம். ஸ்ட்ரிங் வந்து எப்படி டிஸ்ப்ளே அப்படின்றது நம்ம அரித்மெட்டிக் ஆபரேட்டர்ஸ்லயும் பார்த்துட்டோம். அடுத்து ரிலேஷனல் ஆபரேட்டர்லயும் பார்த்துட்டோம். அதனால இப்ப நான் டைரக்டா ஜஸ்ட் அந்த கான்செப்டை மட்டும் எழுதியிருக்கேன். ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே. இப்ப a ஓட வேல்யூ 5. a plus equal to 5 னா 5 plus 5 10. So இந்த லைனுக்கான அவுட்புட் என்ன கிடைக்கும்னா 10. Next a minus equal to 5. Last value of a is 10. So 10 minus a equal to 30. That means a equal to a plus 5. Here just I write execution part. A equal to a plus 5. That means 5 plus 5, 10. So here a value is 10. Next, a minus equal to 5 means a equal to 10 minus 5. Last a value is 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. Here the output displayed as 5. Next, a equal to a into 5. What is the value of a? 5. Last value 5, no? So 5 into 5, 25. So 25 will be displayed here. Next one, a equal to 25 divided by 5. 5. We are dividing 25 by 5 means 5 5s are 25, remainder 0. So written the quotient because here we are using division operator. So it written the quotient of the division. So we get the result 5. Next modulo division, a equal to last value of a is 5. 5 modulo division 5 equal to 0 because modulo division operator give the remainder of the division. So it return the result 0 for this. Suppose if I am writing here print a asterisk equal to 5 means we get the answer 0 because last value of a is 0. 0 power 5 0. So 0 will be written. If I am using floor division also it will return 0. So okay. Be able to understand the program. Okay, next we are going to see logical operator. Logical operator, 3 operators are there. And or not. In C++, we are using and symbol for double ampersand, or means double pipe symbol, not means exclamatory symbol. But here in Python, we are using and word, or word, not word for that operators. Already you know that, you know about logical operator. If you want to check more than one expression means that time we are using and or not logical operator. If you check single expression, that is a relational operator. If you want to check more than one expression, more than one condition means that time we are using logical operator. Suppose if you want to satisfy both conditions means that time we are using AND operator. If you want to satisfy any one condition means that time we are using OR operator. Quite opposite, if you want to opposite result means that time you are using NOT operator. So ரெண்டு கண்டிஷனுமே உனக்கு ட்ரூ ஆகணும் அப்படின்னா AND ஆபரேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். ஏதாவது ஒன்னு எனக்கு ட்ரூவா இருந்தா போதும் அப்படின்னா அப்ப ஆர் ஆபரேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். நான் ட்ரூனா ஃபால்ஸ்னா ட்ரூனா ஆப்போசிட்டா எனக்கு ரிசல்ட் வரணும் அப்படின்னா அப்ப நாட் ஆபரேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? இப்ப இதை வச்சு எக்ஸாம்பிள் பார்க்கலாம். இப்ப ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் 5 greater than 9 and 5 less than 15 less than 20. First, it evaluated the first expression. Here, we are using two expression, two relational expression. More, if you want to combine more than one relational expression means that time you are using logical operators. First condition, 5 is greater than 9. True or false? False, because 5 is not greater than 9. So it return the value false. In and expression, if any one of the condition is false means the result will be false. So don't check that condition. Just first one false, it return the result false. So these expression we get the answer false because first condition is false. If you are using AND operator means both conditions are true now, it return the result true. Otherwise, it return the result false. Suppose if I am using here 5 less than 9 means the condition is true, and then check that condition is also true. So it return the result true. Suppose if I am using here 5 greater than 20 means this condition true, but this condition false. So any one of the condition is false means it return the result false. Okay. The purpose of AND operator. Next one, OR operator. The same 5 less than 9 or 15 greater than 20. Here 5 less than 9. It's true or false? False. True. 5 is less than 9. True. So first condition true means it return the result true. Suppose if it is false means check another condition because OR operator means any one of the condition is true now, the result will be true. So it is true, so the answer will be true. Suppose if I am using here 5 greater than 9 means it false now, it check another condition. So go to this condition, it is true, so the answer is true. Suppose if I am using here 5 greater than 20 now, these are also false. Both condition are false now, the result will be false. OR operator means any one of the condition is true means the result will be true. Other both conditions are false now, the result is false. Okay. Not operator. Here I am using not operator. Not of 5 less than 9. 5 greater than 9 is a false, but here I am using not operator. So in the false result will be inverted to true. So true means I get the answer here true. True false means we get answer true because OR operator any one of the condition is true now, the result will be true. Okay. For example, 5 greater than 15 greater than 50. It's true or false? It return the value false. In case if I am using here not operator means it return the result true. Why? Because the result is false. Not of false return the value true. So not operator reverse the result. If it is true means it changes false. If it is false means it changes true. Okay. That's all. So these four operators are called the binary operator. One more operator is there, conditional operator. This operator we discussed in next class. Today we are discussed three operators. One is assignment operator, relational operator, and the logical operator. So assignment operator means assign the value to a variable. Logical operator means if you want to check more than one condition means that time we are using logical operator. Next, relational operator means compare between two values. Okay, two values compare பண்றதுக்கு we are using relational operator. Okay, I hope today you are understand my class. Today homework is assignment and relational operator படிச்சு home test பண்ணி send பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.